Swahili to English vocabulary. Msamiati wa Kiswahili Kiingereza. Number 1. Advance. Advance. Number 2. Afadhali. Better. Number 3. Afiki. Agree with. Number 4. Afikiana. Agree together. Number 5. Afisa. Officer. Number 6. Africa. Africa. Number 7. Africanization. Africanization. Number 8. Afueni. Recovery from illness. Number 9. Afya. Health. Number 10. Aga. Take leave of or say goodbye. Number 11. Agana. Exchange farewells or make an agreement. Number 12. Agano. Agreement or promise or contract. Number 13. Agano Jipya. New Testament. Number 14. Agano la Kale. Old Testament. Number 15. Aghalabu. Usually, more often, or as a rule. Number 16. Agiza. Order. Number 17. Agizia. Order on behalf or order something. Number 18. Agizo. Order. Number 19. Agosti. Augusti. Number 20. Agronomia. Agronomy. Number 21. Agua. Treat magically to remove a spell or witchcraft. Number 22. Aguzi. Predictions. Number 23. Ahadi. Promise or pledge. Number 24. Ahera. Future life after death or paradise. Number 25. Ahidi. Promise or engage. Dear visitor, don't miss the coming class, but also don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.